This is a 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE. I got my hands on this because my car is in the shop. The wheel bearing, the driver front wheel bearing is being replaced on my car under warranty because it failed at 58,000 miles. It's a 2018 car. So Toyota's taking care of it, and then they gave me this because what happened was while doing the repair they broke the speed sensor. So the car is rendered undrivable. So they gave me this rental for free, and I'm gonna use this opportunity to be of benefit to you YouTube viewers. So I can do a little bit of a walk around and do a little bit of a review and test drive of this one here. Let's see if you guys like it. Okay, so this is the XLE trim. It's a 2020 model. It's got the stainless steel dual exhaust pipes, which makes it look really nice. It's got a boxy, but it's got like a rugged type of styling, so it does look really nice. Tires are meaty. I do like the ground clearance. It's nice, and the ride height is pretty tall. Nice visibility from inside. So the XLE trim does come equipped with the smart key access system. You just basically just tap it here to lock it. If you want to unlock it, just put your hand behind it, it's going to unlock. By the way, this trim also has the blind spot monitor system. We'll demonstrate that in the test drive. I do like the fact that this is very, very large, very roomy in the back. Yeah, it's nice. I get plenty of headroom and plenty of foot room and everything. You got the dual. Oh, you got two. Okay, that's pretty neat. Okay, first of all, you got the rear vents. I really like that. And you got two USB charge ports here. And then when I come in the front, there's two more here. And then one over there. So you got 5 charging ports. And then on top of that, you got your power outlet. The 12-volt power outlet too, so you can charge it. So 6 ports. Wow. Let's turn this bad boy on. It's a push button start. Put your foot on the brake. It's gonna start right up. Let's blast that AC. It's 96 degrees here in Florida, as you can see there. So this one here does come equipped with Toyota's latest safety sense. Got your blind spot monitor, like I said before. Then you have your forward collision warning, the adaptive cruise, and then you got your steering assist right there too. Basically the same thing that the 2018 has, but this is a generation 2 as far as the safety sense, so it's more involved, or I guess you can call it 2.0 or something. And it's got this type of this is like a screen right there, but it's kind of coming off. It looks like an awkward, in my opinion, it looks kind of awkward because it's kind of flat. So what happens is you get a lot of sun glare on it. You can see the glare is there, and sometimes some of the information is a little hard to see, but in this instance, because the background color is dark, so you can see it. When you change the color to a lighter, it's going to be a little hard to see. But this one here has nice big controls. As you can see, the rubber on here feels very, very sturdy. Nice utilitarian type of feel. This button right here is going to be for the engine, because it turns off when you come to a stop. It'll turn off. You can turn off that feature on and off. This is the traction control feature right there. And then right here on the side, you got your automatic headlights. You got a power tailgate here. You got automatic windows right here. All 4 of them are automatic up and down. Controls for your mirror adjustment. Just the basic controls. And then on top of that, you do have your electronic parking brake. The electronic parking brake hold feature is very good. It does really come in handy in the traffic time. And then right here, basically, you have your drive modes. This is very impressive right here, because the economy is going to be, it's going to reduce the AC power. It's going to kind of I guess reduce the throttle response. It's going to make the car basically save gas. Normal is a very ideal with a good mix of sporty and you know, economy driving. Sport mode is going to be the one that's going to make it a little bit more performance oriented. Steering wheel is going to get a little bit stiff. The transmission is going to have a nice rev to match feature. It's going to be on point. And when you push it right here, as you can see, it's going to say sport on there, normal, everything. You can change it around. Then you got a nice imitation leather wrapped stitching here, which looks really nice and feels really nice. Soft touch materials here, everywhere. On the top here too. The door is a little soft. No, this is actually hard touch here. They went away with the soft touch here. And then here you have a nice padded syntax material here, which is good. So they did cheapen out on the door, but that's not bad because it is a nice plastic. It's not grainy like the ones in the Toyota Camry, the 2018 Camry that I have. Nice rubber surfaces. When you put something on here, it's not gonna move. Here's that USB port I was talking about. Nice room inside here. Decent. Seats are pretty comfortable. This is really nice. You got a nice rubberized storage spot here. You can put your phone there or anything you want. You can put this button. Mother, this and that. And then you have your deep glove box here. Nice. Got the XLE model does have the sunroof as well, which is good. It's nice. The car does sit pretty high up. Nice visibility, nice outward visibility, nice side visibility. You got a little glass panel right here, which really further enhances the visibility on both sides. You got it. The mirrors are, I feel like this whole mirror is kind of big. It looks kind of odd, but it does do the job. I was expecting it could have been a little further away from me. I feel like it's too close up, but I guess that's okay. This is pretty good. You got your side visors, and that's the LP right there. You got your LED. Oh no, this is the regular halogen bulb. You got your SOS here, the little tray. Don't ever push that. This is a pretty neat touch. If you're in an accident or if you're in a little bit of a situation and you need some help, push that. There's going to be an operator online that's going to assist you. Call the cops or whatever you want to do. That's going to help you out. It's a nice one. So let's take it for a quick spin. I'm going to go on. We're on the rest area on the 75 northbound. I'm going to take the northbound here in the flat. Got a backup camera. Got a trajectory line, but they don't move. I guess that's okay. It's the XLE. Maybe the limited version maybe has it, you know. Okay, steering wheel is very nice, light, easy to maneuver around. Nice. Yield sign means you gotta yield. Nice. No cars coming, I can go. This is the acceleration in normal mode, which is not bad. Not bad at all for being a pretty big car with the same engine that's found in the 2018 Camry. So this is the Toyota's 2.5 direct injected 4-cylinder engine, puts out about 203 horsepower. And then so I'm going to put it in sport mode here. See, it says sport, so now I feel like the transmission got livelier. Steering is a little bit heft added on there. Oh, dumb BMW coming in my way. Pulls pretty strong, as you can see. It didn't take too long to get at that high speed there. That's nice. Now I am going to dock one thing on the car. I do notice a lot of wind noise at the highway speeds. I mean, I'm going to slow down to about a normal reasonable speed, 75 maybe. And I start the cruise control on there. So I do want to see. Yeah, so as far as road noise and everything, that is very well subdued. It's actually pretty normal for the class of the car. but I do feel like the wind noise is a little bit more intrusive than I would like. And I do believe it is because these mirrors are a little bit too big, because the noise is predominantly coming in this mirrors area. Where the side mirrors are, that's where I'm hearing it. Otherwise, the car is a very comfortable cruiser. You know, it goes pretty good on the road. The steering wheel has normal heft for the highway speeds. Gas mileage is pretty decent on this one here. 32 miles to the gallon on the highway, which is not bad. And if it wasn't for the well, the tires are really nice too. This comes equipped with the Michelin Primacy tires, so they're pretty decent. So the ride quality is really good too, as you can see. It goes over the bumps pretty well. One thing I do notice is this driver's side mirror has a tendency to shake while I'm driving, so I don't know what's the deal with that, because the other one right there is not doing it as much. I don't think I can catch that on the camera, but that mirror right there is a little bit shaking. You know, I'm going over the road, which is not that bad quality. So that's I guess some kind of loose. The mirror, probably the plating is loose on that. The Bluetooth connectivity is pretty sweet. It's really quick. I do like the way it drives. The seats are really comfortable. They're a little bit better than the 2018 Camry. They're a little bit more softer cushion. Nice padded material on the seats though versus the Camry. So this is a little better. And I'm gonna take the exit and turn back around. Otherwise I'll be headed out of Tampa. Please tune in for more videos. I hope you like my video about this review. And when I do get my car back, we'll see how everything is, and I'll make an update video following how the repair followed through. So, catch you guys later. Have a great one. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Like and subscribe if you can. Thank you.